Hi fam, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Chapman drink. Yes, we hosted a house party recently and we made this drink, and trust me guys, this was the highlight because every one of our guests really wanted to have a taste of this. And today I'm going to be showing you how you can make this from the comfort of your home, quick and easy in just 2 minutes. Alright, first things, you'll be needing ice. So you'll be needing lots and lots of ice because you really want your Chapman to come out really looking chilled, you get. So first things, you need lots and lots of ice. You can use a mixing bowl, a jar, whatever you have available. Next, we are going to be adding in some orange soda. For this, I'm going to be using Fanta, which is very accessible and easy to get, so I'm going to be using that. Next, I'm going to be going in with equal quantity of Sprite. So as you can see, I'm going to be putting in equal quantity of the Fanta I used because you want the two to be equal, you get. So I'm going to be putting in same quantity of Sprite. I'm adding in more orange soda because I really want to get a good quantity, but then I was a bit skeptical at first because of the size of my jar. But then I looked at it, I'm like, okay, two can go in, let's do that instead. Fam, it's your first time on our channel, you're welcome to Ali vs Food. Here we share everything food. Make sure you click on the subscribe button and turn on notification bell because I bet you don't want to miss out on any of our videos. So next, I'm going to be adding in some lemon slices. I'll add in some lemon slices and I'll follow in with some cucumber slices, a lot of it actually. Next, I'm going to be adding grenadine. Yes, so this is what gives it that vibrant red color. Just see how everything changes the moment you add grenadine. So we're going to be adding grenadine. Next, we'll be adding some fresh orange juice. So we just got some oranges and we extracted the juice ourselves, so just some fresh orange juice. And lastly, you are going to be using some lime soda. For this, I'm going to be using Schweppes. As usual, a full list of all the ingredients we used will be in the comment section. The only thing left you can add is Angostura bitters if you want it to be a bit alcoholic. But then, like I said, it was for a house party and there were kids available, so I decided not to add the bitters so that it could be non-alcoholic. As usual, check out the full list of ingredients. I'll be waiting in the comment section in case you have any question. Let me know, would you be trying this out? Make sure you click on the subscribe button. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.